From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Cloudy and dry today, but the chance for some wintry precipitation moves in again this weekend. Let's talk about it. Right now, though, here in Happy Valley, you can see that thick cloud deck. It's 45 degrees, feels like 44, so it actually wasn't too cool today. Temperatures were a little bit above average for this time of year. So again, not too wintry today, but some of your weather headlines real quick just to recap the forecast because there's some stuff going on. Clouds and more clouds are in the forecast for this weekend and even continuing into next week. Chance for some snow this weekend. I'll talk about that a little bit coming up, but there's some flurries on Saturday, and then Sunday a chance for a wintry mix, rain and snow in the forecast, and then seasonable temperatures return for next week. Your extended forecast, we're going to be sitting about average temperature-wise for this time of year. Right now, though, like I said earlier, it's 46 degrees, a little bit above average for this time of year, and that's pretty much the case for most of the Commonwealth. Zooming out a little bit, you can see cities up towards Erie, 41 degrees, Pittsburgh sitting at 46, and then down towards Philadelphia, they're sitting at 54, which is above average for them this time of year. And then you might have noticed we're sitting cooler than we were yesterday. It was actually very mild yesterday as we moved through the day. How much cooler? Right now in State College, it's about 14 degrees cooler than this time yesterday. So if you're outside, it might have been raining, but the temperatures were pretty mild for the beginning of December. Johnstown, 17 degrees cooler today than they were yesterday, meaning they were pretty warm yesterday temperature-wise. Let's look at your current satellite and radar. You can see little pockets of shower approaching Pittsburgh, but for Center County, we're remaining mostly dry, and then you can see that cloud cover sitting mostly in the bottom 2/3 of the state, and that's going to stick around for the foreseeable future because it is winter in Pennsylvania. Taking a look at your future weather, I mentioned that there's going to be some wintry precipitation Friday. However, clouds move out a little bit before they move right back in with the rain. This is Friday evening. You can see some rain coming out from Cleveland, moving into our state, and then some blue. That is some snow for your Saturday. Not going to stick, nothing too notable accumulation-wise, but there will be some flurries falling from the sky. This is Saturday morning, overnight into Saturday during the day. Not too much during the day Saturday, and then that cloud cover returns. You can see almost the entire state is actually covered in clouds for Saturday. And then moving into Sunday, you can see the next chance comes in from our north. A lot of activity happening on Sunday. It's not certain exactly what, but there could be some rain and snow and then a little bit of ice mixed in there for your forecast on Sunday. And then we should clear out by Tuesday, and then Wednesday morning that cloud cover returns. And then our next chance for precipitation is towards the middle end of next week. So I'll talk about that in your 7-day forecast. For tonight, expect a low temperature of 29s. The clouds stick around. And then Friday, your high temperature is going to be 41. Mostly sunny, and temperatures are going to be seasonable. The average for this time of year, I believe, is around 41 degrees. So expect it to be a classic winter day tomorrow, minus some snow. And then your 7-day forecast, you can see temperatures, not too much variation temperature-wise as we move through this 7-day forecast into finals week. You can see it gets cooler as we move towards next week. Rain and snow chance on Sunday, a few flakes on Saturday before we return to just mostly cloudy skies on Monday, but Tuesday looks sunny, which is some good news before the wintry mix possibly returns again on Wednesday.